Welcome back to ExamMaster Official. Average means the sum of all values divided by the number of values. So average equals total divided by count, which means total equals average times count. That rearrangement solves most questions. When a new value joins or leaves and the average changes, think in terms of the total. Now interest. Principal is the money you start with, rate is the percent per year, and time is in years. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time, divided by 100. The amount is principal plus interest. Compound interest is interest on interest. The amount equals principal times the quantity 1 plus rate over 100, raised to the power of the number of years. Compound interest itself is that amount minus the principal. When compounding is half-yearly, have the rate and double the time. When quarterly, quarter the rate and quadruple the time. 2 golden results for SSC. For 2 years, the difference between compound and simple interest equals principal times rate squared over 100 squared. For a fixed rate, the effective 2-year CI rate is 2R plus R squared over 100%. Very handy for quick population and money growth questions. The average of 10 numbers is 45. If one number 30 is replaced by 70, find the new average. Watch. The old total is 45 times 10, which is 450. Now the total increases by 70 minus 30. That is 40, giving a new total of 490. See, new average is 490 over 10, which is 49. So 49. Find the simple interest on 8,000 rupees at 6% per annum for 3 years. Watch. Use principal times rate times time over 100. Now that is 8,000 times 6 times 3 over 100. See, we divide 8,000 times 18 is 144000. By 100 gives 1,440. So 1,440 rupees. Find the difference between compound and simple interest on 5,000 rupees at 10% per annum for 2 years. Watch. Use the shortcut. Difference equals principal times rate squared over 100 squared. Now that is 5,000 times 10 squared over 100 squared, which is 5,000 times 100 over 10000. See, that equals 5,000 over 100, which is 50. So 50 rupees. Trick 1. Deviation method for averages. Pick an assumed average, add up the small deviations, divide by the count, and add back. It replaces adding big numbers. Trick 2. For the 2-year CI minus SI question, always use principal times rate squared over 100 squared. Memorize it and skip the long calculation. Trick 3. Under simple interest, if a sum doubles in t years, it triples in t years and becomes n times in t times n minus 1 years, since the interest each year is constant. Trick 4. For CI over 2 years, the effective growth is 2R plus R squared over 100%. For R equal to 10, that's a clean 21%, so money becomes 1.21 times. Here's one to try yourself. The average age of 5 members is 30 years. A new member joins and the average becomes 32. Find the age of the new member. Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 42 years. Old total is 150. New total for 6 members is 32 times 6. That is 192. The new member is 192 minus 150, which is 42. Here's one to try yourself. In what time will 1,200 rupees amount to 1,440 rupees at 5% per annum simple interest? Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 4 years. Interest is 240. Time equals 240 times 100 over 1,200 times 5. That is 24000 over 6,000, which is 4 years. Here's one to try yourself. A sum becomes 1.21 times itself in 2 years under compound interest. Find the annual rate. Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 10%. Since 1 plus rate over 100 squared equals 1.21, the bracket is 1.1, so the rate is 10%. To recap, average equals total over count, so always convert averages into totals. Simple interest is principal rate time over 100. Compound interest multiplies by 1 plus rate over 100 each year. And the 2-year CI minus SI shortcut is principal times rate squared over 100 squared. Learn these and this chapter becomes free marks. Open the ExamMaster app now, go to the averages and interest set for SSC CGL, and practice 15 mixed questions. If this helped, subscribe to ExamMaster Official and hit the bell. The next lesson keeps the momentum going.